Good morning. Welcome to the QCIS channel, where you get a daily dose of science, technology, engineering, and math. My name is Leon Jones, and what I'm going to show you today is PPE equipment for construction. Now, I work as a construction inspector, and I'm just going to give you a brief overview on the protection that I use for my job, because safety is very prevalent. Now, I don't wear them too often. These aren't the best, but these are sunglasses. They keep the glare out of your eyes. Sometimes when it's no humidity, it's dry, the sun is very hot, and you want to be able to reduce the glare in your eyes from the sun. So these are sunglasses. This right here is a hard hat. Hard hat always protects projectiles from landing on your head. Something else that I use. Now, these aren't in the best condition, but these are my safety shoes. Steel-toed. Have to have steel-toed shoes out here so projectiles don't land on your toes. Now, some other items I want to show you as far as equipment, because construction is done all year round now. Now, not the very best, because I've been out here doing construction. This is my safety vest. It's what I wear. A little dirty right now. I will get it washed, but I'm actually showing it to you as an overview. This has to be worn all the time. Vests are classified. This one is classified by ANSI. They have different types of vests, and they also have different types of shirts. Right here, this is a t-shirt. It's fluorescent yellow. This is also what I use when I'm out here. Now, here on my job, you can wear this fluorescent yellow t-shirt, but you must have a vest. Why? Because the vest has the reflecting strip, has the orange. You want to be able to see the orange. The orange is on the front. It's also on the sleeves. Now, the back, you flip the vest over. Has it on the back and on the side. And when it comes to safety, I'm very safety conscious out here, because on construction sites there are a lot of accidents that can take place. Now, and when it comes to safety is everybody's responsibility. Now, because construction happens all year round now, something else that I have, because in the wintertime, if I don't wear the vest, I wear this. Now, this is not in the best condition. Got this from my ex-employer, INDOT, which is the Indiana Department of Transportation. Well, what you have here is a hoodie, and this is for the winter. You see, again, it has the reflective stripe at the front, on the sleeves, and down below. And again, this is level 2. The tag tells you ANSI. ANSI is the American National Standards Institute. They set the guidelines for all of your safety and your PPE equipment. Now, again, just bear with me. It's a little windy out here. It's been raining out here. Just as in the vest, on the front side they have reflective striping, and on the back side you have the same thing. And when the reflective striping gets destroyed, the best thing to do is always ask for another one. You want everything to be in compliance with safety. All right, something else to show you. What if it's really cold out here? Well, depending on who you work for, this is another jacket. This is what we call our foul weather gear, because it can get cold. This is also at the tag, ANSI. They set all of your guidelines for your PPE, and this is what I call a coat. Now it has the reflective strip on the sleeves, and generally in the wintertime we wear this. We don't have to wear our vest in the wintertime because we already have the fluorescent yellow, and we have the striping on the front, and flipping it on the back, you have the same thing. Now it's very important that you understand PPE equipment, because PPE equipment can save your life, because it's supposed to allow motorists to basically see where you are. And I've seen people cutting their lawns with vests. It's not just in construction people wear these. The gas station people wear these as well. They wear them because of the color, and it's a good guide for people to see, particularly at night. I see people wearing reflective equipment when they are walking their dogs. So again, when it comes to PPE equipment, it's protective equipment. Again, like I showed you before. Now, pull it out again. What I'm going to show you, a few items. It's a hard hat. This is what I wear out here. A hard hat. It's protective. Keeps projectiles from landing on your head. Again, not in the best condition. It's my protective vest. This is what I wear outside. Put that vest on. It's got fluorescent, and it's got reflective strips front and back for the cold weather. It's my cold weather jacket. It's insulated as well. Again, we also have a fluorescent yellow t-shirt. You have to wear your vest over your t-shirt. It also depends on the job as well. And you also have your hoodie, fluorescent, same types of stripes. And you have your safety shoes, steel-toed safety shoes. And like I said, I don't wear them too much. You have your glasses, sunglasses. Now something else I might be able to have, I don't know if I have them. You also have your safety gloves out here too. Here's one of them. Now I don't have it with me, but I also wear a set of goggles as well. Now, most of the people who work in factories, they wear goggles. They wear goggles especially if they're working around a machine. You don't want projectiles to hit you in the eyes. But again, when it comes to PPE equipment is very valuable when working on construction sites. But now, PPE equipment is going even further now. When they pour concrete, our concrete truck drivers, they wear vests. You see individuals working at some of your gas stations, like Wawa and Speedway and Marathon, they wear vests. You see some truck drivers, you see people walking their dogs. You want people to see you while you're engaged in an activity. Because the good thing about wearing PPE equipment, if somebody hits you, or let's say an oncoming vehicle runs into you, well, now there's a lawsuit. And when you have your PPE equipment on, PPE equipment basically saves lives. So, when you're out in any construction field or manufacturing field, or even if you're cutting grass, make sure you wear your PPE equipment, because your PPE equipment is a lifesaver. And make sure if you go and buy PPE equipment that ANSI, the American National Standards Institute, it's recognized. Check the tag, because if it's not ANSI, you don't want to wear that PPE, because all your PPE equipment must be approved by ANSI. Again, always wear your protective equipment. Your protective equipment will save your life. Thank you for viewing this video on PPE. If you like what you just saw, please comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're looking for some content on social issues, check out the 401 Talk Zone radio show on YouTube. Now, if you cannot find me on YouTube, you can check me out on Twitter. That's both channels. Now, for the QCIS channel, I take it one step further, since it's an educational channel. You can also find the QCIS channel on LinkedIn as well. Once again, thank you for viewing this content on PPE here on the QCIS channel. On this channel, you get a daily dose of science, technology, engineering, and math. Until next time, my name is Leon Jones. I wish you all have a wonderful and gracious morning.